Hi everyone, Karen here from 416 Dentistry. It's been 6 or 7 weeks and my loupes and light have arrived. We have Julianne here from Andau Medical to unbox with me. Come on.
I'm just here to check the fit with Karen's new loupes and go over all the components that come with her loupe and headlight. Okay, so what you're going to do now is just try on your loupes, and then we're going to just try them on. Great. And how does everything look?
Crisp and clear.
Wow. Okay. Great. So I'm gonna get some light here for you. It's gonna make it easier for you to see. So you can also install the side shields if you wish. Karen says that she's using a face shield currently, so we're not going to put the side shields, personal choice. Okay. When I'm putting the lanyards on, there are some ends here that allow your lanyard to go through the hole. So I'm just going to put that on here for her.
Oh, that's so innovative.
With her light, her butterfly headlight comes with 3 batteries here. This is our charging port. They come fully charged, and then you have your cord for charging as well here and here, and then of course your external filter that goes onto the front of the headlight here. Okay, and I can install that later for her, but I'm just gonna put this on here, and then she can try it out with the light. So it just simply clicks down, and then you can regulate the height of the light. Okay, so we're gonna put this on. And all these batteries come fully charged when they're delivered. Try that again. You can adjust the light if it's too high. You can just adjust it. And then is that clear at that distance for you?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And as you know, there is a depth of field, so you will have a range that you're gonna be in focus. So with your loupes, you also get all your cleaning and some, like we talked about earlier, your side shields and extra nose pads as well come with your loupes. And then of course your spare lanyards. So they do come with 2 lanyards when you get your loupes as well. So now that everything is explained and reviewed with Karen in terms of her loupes and how to keep them clean, I'm going to just go over some tips on how to get used to your loupes. Most clinicians take about a week to 2 weeks to get used to their loupes. What we recommend is that when you first get them, take them home, practice writing, coloring, give yourself a manicure, any type of manual dexterity activity that allows you to look straight while figuring out where your hands are. More often you're practicing, it will come with time. Most of my clinicians take about a week to 2 weeks to adjust. Okay, and then certainly I will send some information by email so you have it all written down, as well as I'll follow up with you in a couple weeks to make sure everything's going well. Okay?
Awesome. Thank you, Julianne.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
I'm really excited to try these out. I'm sure my neck and my back will thank you in advance.